More breaking news coming in. India Today has accessed Kejriwal's court order. The court had said there was no proof to show policy was altered. The court also saying in that order there was no evidence to prove that policy was manipulated. The court in this order has said that act against CBI officer involved in this probe. This reveals glaring revelations in this case, especially on the role of the CBI, as all of this clearly mentioned in the court order, where the court has given a clean chit to Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia. On what grounds? The court said there was lack of evidence. The court has said there was no proof to show policy was altered. There was no evidence to prove policy was manipulated. And most importantly, the court saying act against the CBI officer involved in the probe. Let me take this to my colleague Shrishti Ojha, who's gone through the finer details of this order. Shrishti, like we were discussing, huge embarrassment for the CBI and exactly what the Aam Aadmi Party has been demanding. The court also saying that act against the CBI officer who conducted this probe, but also as the clean chit comes in for Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia, what all has the court said on the Delhi excise policy?
Well, Suyesha, if we look at the order that has come in today, yes, definitely a big relief for Aam Aadmi Party leaders, Manish Sisodia, Arvind Kejriwal, because they've been discharged in the Delhi excise policy case. And even bigger relief also for the Aam Aadmi Party, because remember the Aam Aadmi Party-led government had brought in the Delhi excise policy 21-22, which basically led to everything that has happened till then. If we see the court's observations today, not only has the court called out the CBI for its investigation in this case, the court has in so many words also bagged the excise policy 21-22, which was brought in by the Aam Aadmi Party-led government back at that point in time. Remember, CBI, ED since then have been calling it the Delhi excise policy scam, but it doesn't come across as a scam if we focus on the court's observation today, because the court has very clearly said that there is no evidence that has been put forth by the CBI to show that the excise policy was manipulated, altered in any way to benefit any individual or to benefit the South lobby, as was claimed by not just CBI but also the Enforcement Directorate. If we look at court's observations about the Delhi excise policy, the court has called it the outcome of a consultative and deliberative consultation. Has said that there was institutional consultation. The procedure that had to be followed before formulation of a policy and for execution of a policy was in fact done by the Aam Aadmi Party and the leaders who were responsible, because one of the biggest criticism and one of the biggest allegations against Manish Sisodia as the deputy CM back then, who was in charge of the formulation of the Delhi excise policy, was this, that 100 crores, there were allegations of 100 crore kickbacks being taken from the South lobby just to give them some favorable provision, to give them some favorable advantage in the provisions of the excise policy. Now the court has completely disregarded all of that, has called out CBI and also ordered a departmental inquiry against the IOS.
In fact, Shrishti, what is the Aam Aadmi Party going to do next while we await the news conference that is set to happen at 4 p.m.?